dancers. Break it down for you to enjoy. It's Robert Goldman, Jalen Hawkins, Michael Bradley, and Gary Lampley. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, stand to your feet and witness precision performance personified, musical mastery manifested, internationally known, nationally recognized, and globally accepted as the black and gold standard of marching band excellence. There are many competitors, but no competition. No one can hold our position. We are